How to delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp without having to unblock them first. WhatsApp has recently updated its features and we are here to walk you through the new process. Let's dive in. Alright, let's get right into it. Previously, deleting a blocked contact on WhatsApp required you to unblock them first. But with the latest update, you can now remove these contacts directly without the extra step. Here's how to do it. First things first, open WhatsApp on your phone. Make sure you're on the latest version to access the new features. Next, go to Settings by tapping on the gear icon. Now then select Privacy. Here now tap on, you can find Blocked Contact. Now find the contact you want to delete from your blocked list. Tap on the name to open the profile. Now tap the three dots or simply scroll down and click on Delete Chat or Delete Contact. As you can see, I don't have the following person's contact in my phone, so there is no delete contact. But if you have them in your contacts, then here you can find delete contact. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete this contact. Confirm by tapping delete, and that's it, your contact has been removed from your block list. Now to double check, you can go back to your main account contacts list and make sure the contact is no longer there. They should no longer appear in your blocked contacts or your main list. And there you have it, easy as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.